video, I wanted to share with you this delicious and simple recipe for a green bean and potato salad. In my house, we really enjoy having this dish along with a fresh salad, and it makes the perfect lunch or dinner. This is also a great salad to meal prep with. You can make a large batch and portion it out for the week. So I really hope you give it a try, and without further ado, let's get into the recipe. For this recipe, you will need 3 cups of diced potatoes, which is about 4 to 5 medium potatoes, and I like to cut them into medium-sized cubes. You will also need 3 cups of sweet potato diced, which is about 2 medium ones, and again, I like to cut them into medium-sized cubes. Today I'm using Japanese sweet potatoes, but you can use the regular sweet potatoes. Purple sweet potatoes look super nice with this dish. You will also need 3 cups of lentils, and I have a video on how I cook lentils in a batch from dry and then freeze them that I will be linking up here as well as in the description below. Then you will need 4 cups of green beans. I like to use frozen ones, but you can of course use also fresh ones. And if you're using frozen ones like I am, I simply snap them in half with my hands in order to make them smaller. But also you can, once cooked, chop them into smaller pieces. I really like them when they're shorter, but it's up to you. You will also need 1 or 2 green onions sliced, the juice of half a lime or lemon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Now it is time to prepare this delicious green bean and potato salad. Start by adding to a pot a little bit of water and a steaming tray. Add in the potatoes and sweet potatoes and steam them for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's important to make sure that the potatoes and the sweet potatoes stay tender and not mushy while you steam them, so keep an eye on them. And then when they're ready, add to a large bowl. Next, on top of the steaming tray, you will add in the green beans and steam for about 10 minutes. And just like with the potatoes and sweet potatoes, you want to make sure that they stay tender and that they do not become mushy. Meanwhile, to the large bowl, add in the lentils, and if you're using frozen lentils, simply go ahead and defrost them by adding some boiling water on top and straining them. Then you will also add into the bowl the salt and the pepper, and if you choose, you can also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Then go ahead and mix everything together. Once the green beans are ready, add the lemon juice on top of them and add them into the bowl. Mix everything together and top with the green onions. Serve and enjoy. This recipe is so simple, takes about 30 minutes to put together, and is so filling. I hope you give it a try. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. It really helps me out with the algorithm and makes my day. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below to join the Living Life Simply community and never miss another video. Let me know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try, and make sure to share this with whoever you think might enjoy it. I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!